Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about various cars here. The first one is a racing car. You can see word speed first. Number 3, a nice racing car. Monster truck, a nice monster truck with cute colors. How about this one? Express bus, yellow color. All-road car. How about this one, everybody? Excavator. Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce car. Army car. Mobil tanky. This is a Mobil tanky in Indonesian language. Pickup car. Now check the next one. A nice leather truck. Hero Batman, black color. Excavator, a nice excavator, mini excavator. Police car, police super motorbike, police super motorbike, yellow color. Bulldozer, mini bulldozer. A truck. How about this one, everybody? Super motorbike, yellow color. A logistic truck. A shoot truck. Everyone, let's move forward and check other interesting mini cars here. How about this one, everybody? Super motorbike, pink color. This is also a racing super motorbike, number 46. Green car. Cement mixer truck. Yellow car. Hero Iron Man. Mini excavator. Bulldozer. 4-wheel super motorbike. Hero Captain America. Police super motorbike. Okay, everybody, now check last track. Cement mixer truck. Another cute cement mixer truck. A broken car, red color. Forklift. Racing car, green color. Another forklift. Bulldozer. Now check the last one. Red racing car. Okay, everybody, if you love this video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.